Hello, I'm Stephen Goldberg of Optimus Performance, and every week I bring you practical tips and ideas on leadership, team development, and performance management in the workplace. In my last video, I talked about active listening and how important it is as part of team development, and especially for building consensus in team discussions. Now, I've also created a downloadable worksheet in PowerPoint that you can use to practice active listening. Now, this worksheet can be used as a team as well, which is great because when a team is involved in training, in activities like active listening that improve human relations, you can gain much more from a team exercise of this nature. So check that out. I'm putting a link to where you can download that form in the description of this video. Check out some of the other videos in the series of teamwork that I've been working on, and I'll have a new one upcoming very soon to follow up on active listening called Diplomatic Disagreement. That's taking active listening a step further. So check that out. Subscribe if you're not already. Check out some of the other videos as I mentioned. You can support these videos on Patreon. That'll help me continue to make these videos and invest my time and effort in doing so. Thank you for listening, and we'll talk again soon.